Hi guys, you remember me, Miss Runge, and you remember
Emma. Hi.
Emma. So today we're going to take you a step-by-step process as to how to upload a VoiceThread video. Are you ready? Okay, so I created an example assignment. So this is what it will look like in Schoology. You will click on the assignment. And then you are going to click on the link. Above, you will see where it says, please go to the following link. I will give you the directions in that location for what to do in this video. So then you click on the link, and this is what is going to pull up. You are going to see the current video that I have posted, and you are going to comment on it, whatever it may be we're doing for this assignment. So you're going to go ahead and click the
Play button.
play button to see what it is. And for this example, I just say, my name what? Jessica. Today, do what? List of 5 things. All right, so you want to comment on that video. So what are you going to do? You're going to scroll over and you're going to see this comment button pop up. You will then click on it, and it's going to ask you to sign in. Go ahead and sign in. Emma already has her account set up. So if you do not have an account set up, this is where you will go to click on register. Hold on, show them where register is. Beautiful. So you will click on that register button, put all your information, including your school email, in there to create your account. You will then have to log into. Yes, thank you. You will then have to go back into your email, and you'll have to click a link to be able to access the video, the account. Thank you. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and sign in. We're gonna try commenting again. So we're gonna press on the comment.
Hi.
Now it gives us options. So we can either create a text comment using your phone. We're probably not going to use that one. A voice comment just by an audio recording, or a video, which in ASL we probably will be using the most, or you can upload a video that you have already created. Up to you, whichever one you would like to choose. Please remember to follow the directions that are stated before or in this video. So we want to comment with a video. Go ahead and allow VoiceThread to use your video and microphone access. Okay, so then here it brings you up again to the current video, which, yes, I look super excited in this video. If you can see on the bottom down here, you can then drag this to anywhere that you want to comment. So say that you want to comment right here about this video and be like, Ms. Runge, I don't understand what this sign is. You can do that. Or you can just comment and add what you need to the video per the directions, and this is where you will do so. So as you can see in the screen over here, I see myself and what I am commenting. So then when I am done, I'm finished, I will press stop recording, wait for it to upload, and then save. You can now see Emma's recording or Emma's comment right here. Okay. So then I can then go and everybody will be able to see Emma's post, and then all the other students will be able to log in and reply to either Emma or my comment. And then we can have a virtual conversation with each other and sign. Awesome. Signing out.
Bye.
See you guys later.